Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can dress like Princess Fiona, ogre or human form for the next fairy tales, princess or green theme in DTI. So if you want to look like a heroic princess who can also kick butt, you can just watch this video as I recreate a Fiona look in DTI. Now let's just get started. So first, let me show you the hair that I use for the look. So I'm using this updo in here combined with this bangs and color it brown, a little bit orange. And here is the hex code for the hair. Now for the skin tone, this is the hex code that I use. Okay. Now let's go to the main section first. So in here I'm going to put on this top, and for this top I'm going to use this green color. You can use this green for the whole outfit, and for the second one I'm going to use this gold color. And for the rest, just go with the green. And here's the hex code for all the dress. And I'm going to make the material in silk. Okay. Now I'm going to put on the sleeves. Use the same material and also green color. And then here I'm going to put on this puff right here with the same green in silk. Now for the shoe, I'm going to combine this shoe in here in silk and green with this shoe right here. Just use the same color and material. Okay, and now I'm going to go put on so for the crown, I'm going to just use this headpiece, change all the color into gold, and I'm going to adjust the position. So let's put it on top just like this and adjust the Okay, I'm going to go with that. Why the color doesn't change? Okay, so once you're done with the crown, you can go now to the dressing room. So in here, I'm going to put on this skirt from the witch set. And combine it with the skirt. Toggle it into no layer or remove the layer and use the same green color. And last, I'm going to put on the ears because I don't have VIP, so I'm going to use the ear from the Petal Updates. This one. Use the same green color like the skin tone, but here use the adjustment. So you can change the position on Z into 56 and rotate, change the X into 62 and the Y and Z into 75 and adjust the scale to 25 and you'll get these ears. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So please give me a like, leave a comment and also click on the thanks. Bye.